It's so easy, you guys. It's 1 rubber band, 4 French hairpins, and 1 fierce later. You're gonna walk away from this class with 3 new styles that you can do every day on your own at home. And we're gonna give you all of the tips, all of the products, the tools, so you can get the looks that you want. I'm gonna show you guys how to get this natural polished wavy look, fun festive braid look, versatile ponytail, and then turn it into this elegant bun. It's really important to know what your hair type is so that you know which products to use. There's 4 different types of hair. There's straight, there's wavy, there's curly, there's coily. We're gonna give you the perfect recipe to get whatever look you want for your hair type.
I literally live by a heat protector.
You can actually do a whole look with this.
If you are getting a curly cut and you see the stylist pulling out razors, just run.
Well, now every hairstylist is gonna hate me.